Good morning, Sunday, beautiful Sunday. It's a hot one today, and it's forecast to be approximately 35 degrees Celsius with humidex of approaching 40 degrees Celsius. But let's do our quick brunch. We have a couple of eggs, we got a slice of bread. What do they call it? The heel? The heel of the loaf? Whatever. I don't know. We've got black pepper, we've got some sea salt, and we've got some milk. So let's go for it. Ah, bugger. I got 2 bits in it. I got it. I got it. That's called ambidextrous, isn't it? I'm using both my hands. Or is it ambifingerous? Who knows? Anyways, we got 2 eggs because I feel a little bit more peckish. A large dash of milk, some black pepper, and a little bit of sea salt. All depending on your taste. And now we go on to the fun part. Ain't got no machines. Well, I do, but I'm cheap. I want to do things manually. It's all in the wrist action. And we're gonna go to microwave. Depending on your microwave, about 1 minute 35 seconds for 2 eggs. And how do you like my handy dandy puppet mittens? So we just transfer the Gute omelette straight from the microwave onto your bread, and depending on how you feel, you can put another slice on top or as is. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day.